Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw the legendary Kakashi Hatake with this intense, cinematic glow effect right on your mobile using ibisPaint X. If you want to take your digital art to the next level, stay tuned. First, we start with a clean line art. For the lines, I recommend using the dip pen hard for that sharp anime look. Once the lines are done, we fill in the base colors. I'm using a cool tone palette to match Kakashi's vibe. Let's set the mood with the background BG. I use the Airbrush Normal with dark navy and purple tones to create a misty night atmosphere. This dark background is key to making our Pro Glow effect stand out later. Add some particles using the glitter or star brush to give it a magical atmosphere. This technique is used by top artists to make their work pop. Now for the shading. I use the Airbrush Normal and Felt Tip Pen Soft to create depth. For those smooth transitions you see in professional Japan anime, make sure to use the Multiply Layer mode for shadows. This is where the magic happens. To create the Sharingan glow, create a new layer and set it to Add or Screen Blending mode. Use the Airbrush Trapezoid 20% with a bright red for the eye and cyan for the lightning sparks. This creates that high-quality pro glow effect. And that's it. Our Kakashi Hatake illustration is complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more digital art secrets. Let me know in the comments which character I should draw next. Thanks for watching. Wait, don't go yet. Check out the layer reveal to see how all 14 plus layers come together, from the rough sketch to the final cinematic lighting. This is the secret behind professional mobile art. See you in the next one.